What's up, guys? It's Kristen, your self-proclaimed QuickBooks nerd. Today, we will be taking a quick look at updating multiple transactions at once using QuickBooks Online. Updating en masse only applies to vendor transactions and is especially helpful if we post expenses, checks, and bills to the wrong category or account for a vendor. An example of this is if we post transactions we are unsure about for a particular vendor to uncategorized expense. Another example is when we incorrectly post expenses and checks to expense accounts that really should be payments against accounts payable. This process is a very quick and efficient way to modify all of your transactions at once. Let's jump into it. To get started, use the left side menu of your QuickBooks Online dashboard to find the option for expenses. It's the third one down. The Expense tab will open, showing all vendor transactions. It might take a second. We determine the accounts of our transactions by using our payee information or our vendor name. Typically, I like to think of recording expenses and checks as who did we pay, i.e. our vendor, and why did we pay them, our category or account. Here, we can either sort by payee by simply clicking on the column header Payee, or we can filter using this filter button towards the upper left corner of the screen. Then, use the drop-down for Payee to select the vendor you would like to modify. For this example, we'll be filtering for Chin's Gas and Oil. Once we select Apply, all checks and expenses related to this vendor will appear. To update these transactions en masse, either select off each individual transaction along the left side or click on the box in the upper left corner to select all. When all have been selected, use the drop-down for Batch Actions towards the upper left corner and then select the option Categorize Selected. For this example, we're going to change all transactions to maintenance and repairs. Once we select Apply, I'm going to type that in first. Once we select Apply, all of our transactions will be updated, meaning all of our reports in QuickBooks will also be updated. If you are just updating for the account on expenses and checks, your job here is done. If you have updated the account to accounts payable to apply these against future bills, you will need to go back and apply these as bill payments. There are multiple methods to do this, and we will cover that in another video. But for now, I hope you enjoyed. Please feel free to like and subscribe and check out more of my videos. Thank you very much.